Lord. Okay? 2 Corinthians chapter 8 verse 21 sabi, providing for honest things, not only in the sight of the Lord, but also in the sight of men. Hindi lang daw sa mata ng Diyos tayo mag-ano, yung maging honest, kundi sa tao din. Ngunit 'no, kung baliktarin natin ang words dito ano, we cannot honest God if we are not honest to ourselves and to the other people, right? So, kailangan natin, we need to be honest first sa ating sarili and then sa other people because we are all instrument and because of we are honest to each other, of course we can be honest to God. How can we be honest to God if we are liar to our neighbor, no? So I will share to you dito po sa Matthew, mga kaibigan. Matthew 25. Actually, I already shared this passage to you, but I will repeat it again. I will practice speak English, ha? Nagre-ready lang ako. Parang ano 'no, ano ba 'yun? Vision, my vision na something, I have to practice talaga English para ano, okay. And then sabi dito in Matthew chapter 25 verse 35 to 46 mga kaibigan. Mhm, okay. For I was an hungered, Jesus said here, "For I was an hungered and you gave me meat. I was thirsty and you give me drink. I was a stranger and you took me in." So uh this is kind of integrity also because you are a giver or you are because Jesus said, "I'm hungry and you give me meat," yun ba? Right? So if we are a giver, we have also integrity, right? Syempre givers, giver. Love, because if we didn't have love, we cannot give. And then verse 36, naked and ye clothed me. I was sick and ye visited me. I was in prison and ye came unto me. So this is helping, the people help. Actually, Jesus just talk, he is not really the one that people give. Hindi talaga siya ang binigyan, hindi talaga siyang pinakain, kundi sinasalaysay lang niya ito. And then verse 37, then shall the righteous answer him, saying, Lord, when saw we thee and hungered, and feed thee, O thirsty, and gave thee drink? And then when 38, when saw we thee a stranger and took thee in, or naked and clothed thee? Or when saw we thee sick or in prison and came unto thee? And the king shall answer and say unto them, Verily I say unto you, inasmuch as ye have done it unto one of the less of my brethren, we have done it unto me. Nag-get niyo po ba yun, mga kaibigan? In Tagalog, sasagot ang hari at sasabihin sa kanila, katotohanan sinasabi ko sa inyo, yamang inyong ginawa sa isa dito sa aking mga kapatid, kahit sa pinakamaliit na ito ay sa akin ninyo ginawa. Yun mga kaibigan. Connection pa rin dito sa sinabi ko na dito sa Corinthians, no? Sabi sa Corinthians, providing for honest thing, not only in the sight of the Lord, but also in the sight of men. So, dito sinabi dito na, sabi ng hari na, katotohanan sinabi ko sa inyo, yamang inyong ginawa sa isa dito sa aking mga kapatid, kahit sa pinakamaliit na ito ay sa akin ninyo ginawa. So, connection siya mga kaibigan. Tama po ba mga kaibigan? Na na ang paggawa natin ay actually kung ginawa natin sa kapwa natin ay automatically ginawa na rin natin sa Panginoon. Yun po yung ano doon na for what nga yung mag-faith tayo na wala naman tayong ginagawa. Dapat ang paggawa talaga, we are all connected kasi mga kaibigan if you believe that we are all connected kahit nga dito sa internet, 'di ba? Yung bahay-bahay natin kahit nasa parang ang liit na lang talaga ng mundo dahil we go to Facebook, we go to TikTok or Instagram, nagkikita-kita doon, 'di ba? Nagkikita tayo sa internet. And then ito nga connected talaga tayo yung we are all trapped in this net. Ah, Parang cobweb. Ano ba alam niyo po ba yung sa cobweb yung, gagamba, 'di ba yung mga net? Gano'n tayo mga kaibigan dito, para tayong gagamba dito sa internet and we are all connected. So, we should, share each other, love each other, 'no? Yun po ang support, gano'n pala yung support. Actually noon I do not know na gano'n pala yung sa internet mga kaibigan na, we need support nakakaano yung bang if we support everybody hindi na tayo matutulog, naku para na tayong zombie. We are alive but, our body is ano ba yun, our spirit is awake 'no, because, we are almost here in internet, hindi na tayo natutulog, konti na lang oras ng tulog natin. So, parang zombie po ang ating katawan. So ah, I talk something about zombie first ha, kasi naano ko rin yung zombie, na ang zombie pala hindi pala yung namatay at na bumangon, hindi totoo yun, that's not true. Ang zombie ay tayo na buhay ngunit patay in spirit, yun po yung zombie. And we are here in internet, we work too much 'no, ang energy natin hinihigop ng internet mga kaibigan. At minsan wala ng tulog, minsan hindi nakakain sa maayos, parang zombie talaga siya kung i-imaginin natin. At sorry at na-ano ako sa ano ko. So 'yan yung sa zombie ha. And then, balik po ako dito sa yung pakikipagkapwa, sa kailangan magtulungan tayo na sinabi dito na, kung ginawa natin sa kapwa natin ay ginawa na rin natin sa Panginoon. So if we do to each other, we love each other, we give each other, we give unto the Lord, not for us because God love to see that we work in, righteous, 'no?